Look at the 2011 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.